If TDS has been deducted on an insurance claim received by the spouse of a deceased person under Section 194A of the Income Tax Act, and the PAN is not mentioned in Form 16A, the following steps can be taken to claim the TDS. First, obtain Form 16A. Ensure that you have the TDS certificate, Form 16A, issued by the insurance company or the deductor. This certificate should mention the amount of TDS deducted even if the PAN is missing. Next, contact the deductor. Reach out to the insurance company or the deductor and request them to correct and update the PAN in their records. They can issue a revised Form 16A with the correct PAN. Finally, file a rectification request. If the deductor updates their records, they should also file a correction statement with the Income Tax Department to reflect the correct PAN in the TDS returns. Alright, so after the deductor updates their records, you'll want to check Form 26As on the Income Tax e-filing portal. This is to ensure that the TDS has been correctly credited to your PAN. It's a simple but important step in the process. Claim TDS in income tax return. When filing your income tax return, you can claim the TDS based on the corrected Form 16A and the details reflected in Form 26AS. Submit documents with return. If you are unable to get the PAN corrected in Form 16A or in Form 26AS, you can still claim the TDS while filing your income tax return by attaching the original Form 16A and providing an explanation in the return. This may trigger a manual verification by the income tax authorities, and you may need to provide additional documentation. Rectification request for mismatch. If there is a mismatch between the TDS claimed and the amount reflected in Form 26, as due to the PAN issue, file a rectification request with the Income Tax Department after filing your return, providing all relevant documents, including the original Form 16A and any correspondence with the deductor. By following these steps, you can address the issue of the missing PAN in Form 16A and ensure that the TDS deducted is correctly credited to your tax account.